For nearly 6 years, the Department of Health was shelling out millions of dollars for people on Medicaid that had already died.
So, was it a lack of oversight, government waste, or something else altogether? Our legislative reporter, Liam Combs, takes us through the effort to plug some of these leaks in the state budget.
Medicaid in Louisiana is one of the state's biggest expenses, providing health care for more than 1.5 million people. And when one of those folks dies, typically they would be removed from the Medicaid rolls. But from 2019 until March of this year, the state paid roughly $9.5 million for about 1,000 people, even after their death. So what happened?
If someone moves out of state and dies, that isn't necessarily going to be in Louisiana's vital records data. Also, people who just happen to die in another state but maybe didn't move there, also that may not be in Louisiana's records. So our philosophy has always been try to use as many data sets as possible to answer the questions. So
Chris McGee at the Legislative Auditor's Office did just that to uncover this government waste, scrubbing through the federal Social Security database to find people who were still getting Louisiana Medicaid benefits, even though they had already died. But why wasn't LDH doing the same thing?
And just really hadn't looked outside the box to try to identify if additional data sets could enhance their process.
State and federal Medicaid dollars go through a third party before reaching you. Those companies are called managed care organizations, meaning that money was going right to their pockets during those 6 years.
6 years? It's unbelievable.
Appropriations Chairman Jack McFarland says the state will be taking a magnifying glass to these contracts in the future.
If it is discovered that they knowingly was receiving these dollars, knowing that those individuals no longer lived here or were deceased, that's where when the contracts come up for renewal, those are things we're going to be discussing.
After the audit report, LDH was able to claw back $4 million from that wasteful spending.
Finding people on Medicaid that don't belong on Medicaid is embarrassing for anyone that manages the integrity of the overall system.
Newly appointed LDH Secretary Bruce Greenstein says he wants it all back, and now they will be checking the Medicaid rolls every month.
Been here now for 3.5 months. We're taking a whole new approach at looking at this. And it's really about respecting the people that we serve today.
The legislative auditors say this is some of the quickest action they have seen by a state agency after an audit report, and underscores the work that LA DOJ is doing to clean up the state budget. Liam Combs, WAFB 9 News.